Hello, this is Karen Yancey with Online Learning Services at the College of St. Rose, and I am going to show you how to record a presentation using Relay screen capture. So I'm going to go to my Relay library, and you'll see in the upper left corner is the Launch Capture button. What you'll do is you'll press Launch Capture, and it's going to ask you to open up Techsmith Capture. And you'll see a capture dialog box that will appear. And you can choose the webcam if you want, but we're going to use a presentation on the computer. So I'm going to essentially keep screen sharing. In this case, I'm going to press record. And it's going to ask you what area of the screen you want to capture. And you will see that this toolbar pops up. And you can adjust the monitors, the record microphone, or the volume. I'm going to press record. Hello, so now I'm recording the delineated area that I told the screen to record, starting up here, going all the way down, across the bottom, up the side, and along the top again. So this area is being recorded. I'm going to go to another window, and I'm going to bring forward my presentation window in PowerPoint. I have a PowerPoint presentation that I've opened up in PowerPoint. This area of the screen is being recorded currently, as you can see on the toolbar. And I'm going to start my presentation by clicking on the presentation button. So hello, I am recording my presentation. Let's see. And I can narrate and advance forward with my slides by clicking on the forward button and narrate and continue to explain and discuss my slides. And now I'm going to finish my presentation. Let's see. And slideshow. I am done with my presentation, and I press stop. Now, this is the presentation that was recorded. Hello, so now Okay, and you will want to move the toolbar for relay capture when you're making your presentation. You'll want to move it down or up somewhere. So now that I am happy viewing my presentation, I'm going to upload to Relay. And then I press continue. It will ask you to title your presentation. And sometimes it does that. It doesn't do anything bad. It just asks you to retype in your title. Okay, and then press save. And that's saved to your Relay library now. Now I can go to another window if I want, go back to my library, and I'm going to refresh. And here's the demonstration of the capture that I just did, or here's the video that I just uploaded to Relay using the capture feature, the capture tool. So that sums it up. I encourage you to go to the Online Learning Services College of St. Rose YouTube channel, where you will find other tutorials. and to go to the online College of St. Rose Tech Talk blog on the College of St. Rose website, where you will also find articles and links to trainings and tutorials as well. That's all for now. This is Karen Nancy signing off.